Welcome to our van life with our three good chihuahuas, episode 61. We met with our group of storyteller overland friends and went on a trail run along the Mendocino coast to Usal Beach. Come along on our journey as we navigate our first trail run with our Ford Transit and encounter big oops along the way.
Yoda is feeling good. Storyteller expedition to Usal Road in Mendocino County. We just stayed overnight at Nelson Vineyards. Got 4 vans right now. 1 in front, 2 behind. Gonna pick up 1 more. Caravan out.
Morning everybody, welcome back to our channel, or if you're new to our channel, welcome. We are Outtakes and I am Pia and that's Sean with our 4 chihuahuas. We are headed to Usal Beach up here in Mendocino County with friends from the Storyteller Facebook group. We spent the night at a harvest host last night. We got there pretty late, around 10 o'clock, since everyone was coming off from different places. So there are going to be 5 vans in total doing the trek to Usal Beach. So it should be a very fun adventure. I hope you continue to watch and stay with us and join us in this journey. So thank you for watching. So as you know, we lost Jabba recently. This is Yoda. He's our eldest 17-year-old dog. He's doing really well. We had an incident where we thought that he was going to have to say goodbye to us a couple of weeks ago. He wasn't doing too well, but he made a complete turnaround, complete recovery. So we're very happy he's back to his feisty self. We have Bail Organa in the back, and she is 10 weeks old. She is loving and sweet and just as feisty as Yoda as can be. This is her first vanlifing experience where she spent the night in the van, but we kept her in the bag because I didn't want her falling off the very high bed from the storyteller. And then we have BobaFett. She is in the backpack. She is quiet and sleepy. And then we have Chewbacca. She is also quiet and sleepy.
So we are here at the air down spot. Everybody is airing down. We are airing down for the first time. We're gonna do the back tires first. And we're gonna use our V-Air system. So it should deflate probably down to, oh yeah, there we go.
What did you get it down to?
It's weird because the gate, that was showing 30. We definitely don't want it to go down that low.
What is it at right now?
So, let me see.
You want to try this?
Yeah. What's yours? The deflator called?
Indeflate.
Indeflate. Okay. So we're gonna go on the front, indeflate. Pete here is dropping his down to 35, 45. We're not gonna go that low with the Transit's built to handle a little bit higher PSI. and a different transmission. So we're gonna go down about just 5.
Let's say you had like 44 on this one. This was like 47. So it'll equalize the pressure. At the same time.
Okay, that's a big advantage.
Yeah.
So it keeps them the same.
And then when you're inflating too, you can inflate both of them at the same time. Turn off the compressor, let it balance out.
Yeah. So it does the balancing.
Yeah.
All right, we are just about ready to leave the air down location. We have 5 vans, picked up our friends from Arizona, and we are going to head to the narrow Usal Road. Gonna be an adventure. We'll be showcasing it to you. Hopefully get some good Insta360 shots as well. Below the PSI.
So where did that guy come from that he came down the road? Is this one way?
It's basically enough for one, so that's what we're gonna have to navigate with. Pullouts makes it difficult, but that's why we went this early, because most people are going to be going in rather than going out.
I see.
But tomorrow there might be some people like us coming in for the day. He said it's only 4 miles, but it's obviously slow going because of that. But this road right here is easy peasy. Super foggy.
Did you guys turn off your traction control?
What's that?
Yep.
We don't have to worry about any of that because we're all-wheel drive.
Everybody's in 4 high, right? Yeah, we'll do 4 high and then we'll go 4 low on the decline down to the beach area. Or you can do high, just use your gear shift if you want to. And then we're coming up to the washout.
So we got to follow his line.
Right here, guys.
That's pretty deep.
Oh, shit.
how you feeling about that?
What did you hit?
We definitely bottomed out there. That hit the,
Huh?
that was fun. All-wheel drive saved my ass there.
Sam, are you good? Yep, got hung up for a second, but same with four-wheel drive. Let me know if you guys need me to stop. Oh, we got a truck, guys.
Oh, shit.
Who do you have behind you? Like, can you see Sam?
Yeah, Sam's right behind me.
Sam, can you see Raquel? Not yet.
Maybe give a pause.
Yeah, still no one behind me.
Yeah, they're not there. See?
Yeah, we're almost to the giant pull off.
Okay.
Too close.
Yeah, I was trying to stay out of that.
This is fun.
Sighting on 4th van.
What they say?
They saw Raquel.
That's our first big washout. I think we
You want to check the tire?
hit something, probably the steps to the van, and got a little bit nervous there for a sec because I couldn't see anything, and then I lost the camera.
Can you come in?
I lost track of the camera, so sorry if it left the screen for a moment.